Hi everyone, I am Aksa Zafar and welcome back to MLTube, your go-to channel for data science and artificial intelligence. I create content to help you understand machine learning and data science in the simplest way possible. So make sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to stay updated and learn more about data science and AI. Deploying machine learning models is where most people struggle. You can build amazing models, but if they don't make it to production, they are just experiments. That's exactly where MLOps comes in. And in this video, I will share the best MLOps courses on Udemy that will actually help you get hands-on skills for deploying and managing ML systems in real-world projects. So let's get started. If you are serious about Azure Cloud and want to go from beginner to advanced in both ML and MLOps, this course is a complete package. It has almost 20 hours of video content covering everything from CI/CD pipelines with Azure DevOps to model deployment on Kubernetes, and even extras like GitHub Actions, Databricks integration, and responsible AI. What I really like is how practical it is. You don't just learn concepts, you are actually building pipelines and deploying models step by step. The only catch is that you will need an Azure account, but the hands-on practice is totally worth it. Now, if you are just starting out and MLOps sounds overwhelming, this course is a great beginner-friendly choice. In under 3 hours, you will learn the core principles, what CI/CD means in ML, maturity levels in MLOps, challenges with traditional ML life cycles, and then you will even get a demo of an end-to-end pipeline in Azure. This course is best for you if you want a quick but strong foundation before jumping into advanced cloud workflows. This course is perfect if your focus is less on cloud platforms and more on model deployment best practices. You will learn how to build production-ready APIs, package ML models, and set up CI/CD pipelines with tools like Docker and Circle CI. It's a 10 plus hour course that covers everything: reproducibility, versioning, testing, logging, and even deploying on AWS ECS. If you have been building models in notebooks and wondering what's next, this course will guide you into real world production systems. Now, this is probably the most popular MLOps bootcamp on Udemy by Krishnaik. With 50 plus hours of content, it covers everything end to end: Git, Docker, MLflow, DVC, Airflow, AWS SageMaker, Azure, Hugging Face, and even monitoring with Grafana. The highlight here is the 10 plus real world projects. So if you prefer project based learning and want to explore multiple tools and platforms, this is the most comprehensive course you will find. However, it's also a huge time commitment, so it's ideal for those who are really serious about a career in MLOps. This one is quite new but very interesting because it combines MLOps with AIOps concepts. You will learn everything from Python for MLOps, Git, MLflow, Docker, FastAPI to monitoring with Prometheus, Grafana, and Logs. At over 36 hours of content, it's more structured like a bootcamp. If you want to not just deploy models but also learn about maintaining and monitoring them at scale, this is a great pick. Okay, so which course should you take? If you want Azure specific skills, pick Azure Machine Learning and MLOps course. If you want a quick intro, go for MLOps Fundamentals course. If you want to focus on deployment best practices, choose Deployment of Machine Learning Models course. If you want projects and full coverage, complete MLOps Bootcamp by Krishnaik is best. And if you want deployment plus monitoring, MLOps Bootcamp Mastering AI Operations is solid. No matter which course you pick, you will be ahead of most learners because not many focus on deployment skills. So that's my list of the best MLOps courses on Udemy right now. I will leave the course links in the description. Tell me in the comments which one are you planning to start with, or if you have already tried any of them, share your experience. It will help others. If you found this guide helpful, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell to stay updated. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.